Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create financial services website with Wix. So for this, go to Wix and click on customize a template. So click on pick a template and you will be directed to this page. Now search for financial services here and you will find multiple templates. So okay, let's search, scroll down and there we have more than 5 pages where you can find the website you are looking for. Okay, so I will go with the financial services. So let's go back to the page one and choose the template that you like. So simply move your cursor over the template and click on edit. Again, you will be directed to a new tab. So they will start preparing your dashboard. Click on create a new site. Okay, so now here it will take few seconds. Okay, so it may take few seconds while loading. So once the website is here, you can edit each and every part of that website, like headings, the material you want to add, the descriptions, the images, also the videos, the contact information. So I will show you how you can edit. Okay, so now let's say if you want to edit the access group here. So simply click on the template and there you will find quick edit option or you can right click on it. Okay, right click and from here simply click on quick edit. Okay, so there we have edit box on the right side. As we want to edit the access group here, so simply click on delete and add a new heading here. In the same way, you can add a detail line that is written under the heading. You can change this to. So in this way you can edit this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.